Hello sisters, today my sister introduced a model of wide pants for middle-aged people. This model is wearing a shirt. There is no round neck boat. And this wide-legged pair of pants. This girl is also full of people. This model is also suitable for middle-aged sisters. You young people. It can also be applied to this model. Well, this one is slanted pants and it has a 2 PCS vertical palletizer. And there's a zipper out front, and here it is. Casual pants, these are loose pants. So now we're going to go into design for this baggy pants. Is this model? Ladies, we'll use the measurement. Yours to do. First, I'll get the pants. Well, with these wide pants, his pants are only about the same size as his ankle, so I will take a. The length here is about the same as the ankle. I'll give you the length of the pants. 40 plus 50, that's 90. This is going to be 90 milliliters of gasoline. After I get it, the length of your pants, you will give me the lower part. If you want to get your ass down here, I use the same formula. My ass divided by 4 my plus for 5. 5 years ago, he had a back. Then here I'm using a model where the butt line is 40 equal to 80. You divide by 4. For 5 years, my ass here will be equal to 25. Then start at this head and measure down here. One paragraph is 25. And then we build a perpendicular line through it. After we get the perpendicular line measured from the top down below, this is 25. Then I'll take the butt. I'm going to get my ass here. Divide by 4 plus 3. So here it's got the bend part. 2 bends. For each bend, you'll add a fraction. So 2 bends add to fractions. So let's say this is equal to 80 divided by 4 years. Then it's equal to 25. I'll measure from this outer edge. I measured in is equal to 25 cubic meters of gasoline. Then the word in here, ladies, back up. Give me some gas. TI meter. I'm going to take this 25. I split in 2. And then I made a straight line up the road. Oh, up here. I'll draw a cross section later. You're going to draw this straight down here. Let this ruler come in here at right angles. Yeah, and this one, it's going to be a straight angle here. This is going to be a straight line that we're going to do. When you are done, I will take the part. From this angle, it will be the waist. That's equal to waist divided by 8. You subtract 1. The waistline here is 64 divided by 8 minus 1. 64 divided by 8 is, and 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. Let's start from this corner. I'll measure that by 7. Then you're going straight down this 3-inch line. Then from here, I'll go up. It's 7 millimeters. 7, then I will beat it. The crotch. And then I'll take the rest of the waist. I'm going to measure from this point over here. I took it by the waist. Divide by 8 plus 1. I'll add more here. 2 on each side is 2 inches. You add 2. So that means here we're going to be equal to 64.
You divide by 8. For the year 64 to 8 is equal to.
That's equal to 8 plus for 5. That's equal to 13. I'm going to get from here. I'm going to get through 13.
It's here.
Then you'll connect this row down. This is where we're going to be connected to the butt line. You'll get this straight line. And then I'm going to go down, and this is a fraction.
One shit and the sisters join in.
Then we'll get the waist on the torso. And right here in this position, when you're done, I'll take the sign.
2 inches.
Then 2 inches over here, 2 inches over
Then
here.
we'll get
the bend part.
Our vertical is here. There are 2 bends. This is Ben. This will be my side.
I'll have 2 sides here. Then the one with the pants. This wide tube is simple. It's from top to bottom. So when that's done, you will straight this part down. Make a perpendicular line down. And this side is equal, so we're going to.
If so, this is the form.
My previous body just finished. You see, you're going to get Ben.
2 PCS Ben. One more thing I need to have.
That's the back part. So from out here, you measure in. And we're going to draw the back here, the back of the pants. This version is equal to 3.5 is the back. Take these 4 pieces down. And we're going to put the ruler across here. If you wake up, you will get the length.
My pocket size is 15 millimeters of gasoline.
I have just finished the presentation for you.
The front body.
This will be the front of the pants. Before that, you will have 2 pieces. I'll fold it up like this and cut it in 2.
And in a case where you're not.
This measurement is in the butt. It's 80, let's say. You have a measurement of 100. I will replace the number 100 with
this
you.
This number 80 is divided. As much as I have, I put it
this
in.
This number you pull across. It's the same for the lower buttocks. For example, your ass is equal.
If you divide 100 by 4 plus 5, I will be here.
There's another number I can put in or the waist here. If this model is equal to 64, I will replace the number 6
my
with
waist
4
is 80
equal
for
to.
example.
I'm going to replace 80 here and divide by 8.
Then you use this recipe raw.
I'll use it for my own measurements. Each person will have a different measurement.
Then you will correspond.
Size S, size M, size L, XL size ha. Let's look again at the A. The first part of the A. This wide pants. Then after you, I finish the front of the pants. Wide tube, I will use scissors. Use scissors to cut. Give me the front part of this wide pants model. So, ladies, take note. These are the pants that I'm going to cut now.
Cutting.
Well, for this model, there is no seam.
You will
cut. But when I put it on the cloth, I remember there was a seam.
And if you do,
I love this baggy pants.
I want to show you how.
Actual directly cut garment above the fabric. Remember to comment, let me know. There are 10 comments in each video
about sewing instructions.
I will guide you through sewing. And if you watch it, I know how to be lucky. What models do I need sewing instructions for?
I'll comment below.
Then I can cut it. Let my sisters see this pair of pants.
This is the layered part.
I'm going to put this glass in here. I see the hips.
There is also a cup here.
I'll put this glass in here. You see, we will get it. A front part of the wide pants. It's got 2 pleats like this. That's how we're going to make the sample.
Front body of wide pants. Now I will continue. Use the previous body that I put up here.
Let me do it for the back.
The previous body. When it is done, you will order it. Close under this edge. Then I'll push it up above the rest of the paper.
And then we're going to get this towel on the back of our pants.
Sisters, you have to prepare yourself for the next part. To draw the back of the body from this middle road. From this middle road, come straight up here for me. Go straight up here from here. Go straight up, there's 2 cubic meters of gas. And then you will.
Well, from these 2 millimeters of gasoline, you will push out a path. This road is called the back road. It will depend on the waist
of the sisters.
Let's start at this point, this round point. I'll have a backrest.
Well, with my back.
For example, the waist of this model is equal to 6/4.
Well,
6/4 here, it's going to be less than 64. It's
then
going
we'll
to
get
be
out
less
from
than
the perpendicular
6/5.
road.
This is 2.5 inches.
And suppose
your waist is larger than 83. Gasoline, for example.
Hundreds of them.
The largest number of eyes is here. It's going to be 5 millimeters
For
of
example,
gasoline every 83. Then you add up to 83 centimeters. Then you add 0.5. It means, for example, 100
if you fall
waist,
here,
it will be 5 years.
More than once a year, for example, though 500.
1,015%. For each one, add 5. For example, if you are 10, you will be 6. This is part 2.5.
This is the backrest.
You can take a picture to save it. And then we pull a perpendicular line. Pull a perpendicular
from
line
where I just left off.
I pull out here. I'm going to use the next recipe. Divide by 4 and you add to Ben. So the waist here is equal to 64 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 64 divided by
644.
Is equal to 16 plus 2 is equal to 18. Let's take this number 18. So starting at 2.5 inches, here's 18.
And then there's on the road outside.
Here, you take out to gasoline.
2 petrol ha.
If you're down here, you can take out to petrol. I just started painting from these 2.
The road is outside.
For the wide tube. That's to cubic meters. Draw a straight line, ladies. And pull through 2 millimeters of gasoline here. It's also a straight line. And then I pull up the part. The one I just got. I have a straight line here. And then after we get a straight line here, I'm going to move from this part to 2. And here's the middle. The middle starts at the bottom, back to the middle of the line, then you split it in half. Let's split these to pieces in half. These 2 are 2 inches apart. And I'm going to draw this line. See if I can draw this line. And now I'm starting to go back up here. Draw a line across your ass.
Horizontal
so
butt.
This is the way through the front. Then the body behind it will be lower. Horizontal buttocks torso front is a gasoline millimeter. Lower than a centimeter of
so
gasoline.
I drew a line.
The plow at the bottom of the road cut above is a gasoline. And then when you're done, you're going to run the tree. My writing or the chalk. Down to the lower class. So I turned this part up. You just turned this part up. Here is the sign. That's the to gasoline that I used before. Let's start from where I marked this. The new sister Ra is by the ass. Divide by 4 is equal to 80. Divided by 4. That would be 20. You will measure. From here, this position is 20. Here, this number is 20. Then we'll start at this point. I measured outside. It will be cotton. Divide by 10, you subtract by 1. Let's hope this is 80. Let's divide by 10 minus 1. 80 divided by 10 is equal to 8 to 1 is equal to 7. So from here, you go out. This number is 7. This place is equal to 7. And then we'll connect this to inch line. 2 inches, not this two-way street. 2.5 inches. The way I go is that part of my back. Where did I just connect? And then you will. I can draw the bottom of the back. Then you can see. This will be the bottom of the back. This is the back of the body. This will be the side. Then after you get this road, split in two, I connect it down and the drawing is the same as the back. It's 3.5 inches. Then the rest here, you measure down to 7. I can paint the bend part. See, here's the side. This is going to be the bend part. Then I turned this part over. I connected this part in. You will get the part. The slopes of the back body. Then I'll look again. Before cutting the Arabic part. As you can see, this is the front. I cut based. According to the front body here Ra to inches. This is 2 inches. This is based on the buttocks. Here, it is the same as the previous body. If you have a different waist, please change the numbers here for me. Here I take it. According to the model, it's 80. But you have your ass. Other times you will change. I'll withdraw the part. This body part is out. Take out this body so you can see it. The back body. I painted based on the front body. It's going to be like this. This will be the back. Based on the previous body, you see the hips. This will be a what? Here's the waistband. This is going to be the bottom. This is the flank. Then this style is also a style without seams. Do you remember to leave the seams? And this back here is when I draw it, it's going to have 2 parts of sugar. Here, when you cut your back, remember to remove this part of your waist. Then start cutting. Then I cut. Please note that I don't have a seam. I'm lucky, except for the seams. And if you like this one, they don't know how to be lucky. Remember to comment below. 10 comments per video clip. If you ask for luck, I will guide you. So here's the whole body of the pants. And today for baggy pants. I just introduced them to my sisters. Done. This is the body after the body, you too. It's 2 bodies. I also cut it into 2 pieces. And I also cut off this back. I look back, this is the front. So this is the Arabic part of the trousers. Today I recommended to my sisters. If I have anything, please comment below. I will see and respond to you as soon as I see it. The comment section then. Thank you, hello, and see you later.